Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mashed potatoes from scratch. Begin by selecting about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, such as russets or Yukon Golds, as they create the creamiest texture and absorb flavors well. Carefully peel each potato, removing all the skin completely. Then, cut them into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and become perfectly tender throughout. Place the cut potatoes into a large pot immediately after cutting to prevent browning. Now, place your pot of prepared potatoes on the stove. Cover them with cold water, ensuring the water level is about 1 inch above the potatoes. Add 1 full teaspoon of salt to the water, which seasons the potatoes from the inside out as they cook. Bring this to a strong boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook the potatoes for approximately 15 to 20 minutes until they are easily pierced with a fork. Once your potatoes are perfectly tender, drain them completely in a colander, making sure no excess water remains. Return the hot, drained potatoes to the same empty pot. Immediately add 4 full tablespoons of unsalted butter, along with 1/4 cup of warm whole milk or heavy cream, which adds richness. Mash everything together with a potato masher until your desired smooth and creamy consistency is achieved, adding more liquid if needed. With your mashed potatoes perfectly smooth, it is time to season them to perfection. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper according to your taste preferences, stirring it in thoroughly. For an extra touch of freshness, consider folding in 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh chives or parsley, adding a vibrant burst of flavor. Serve your warm, fluffy mashed potatoes immediately, perhaps with a pat of butter on top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.